Along with dry skin, I also suffer from eczema. That's usually triggered by stress, change in weather, and sometimes in the food I eat. It goes away and it can come back unexpectedly. Here are photos of me when my skin is at its worst state. Recently, a pharmacist recommended to me Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel, and I decided to try it out just to see if it makes a difference. Because it contains 4 times more oil, it helps lock in moisture for long-lasting moisturized skin. This gel is also lightweight and it keeps the skin hydrated for a long time. Using Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel has been a lifesaver for my eczema-prone dry skin. It's made with ingredients to address my dry skin issues. My skin feels hydrated, nourished, and soothed all at once with each use, and best of all, I have lesser flare-ups. So now, whenever I feel my skin starting to feel itchy and uncomfortable, I immediately reach out for Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. Along with a healthier lifestyle and habits to maintain my skin, I know I can count on Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel to help soothe and nourish my skin each time. It's definitely a treat that your skin deserves, no matter what stress or changes you go through. Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel has been tried, tested, and loved, and I definitely recommend it for those with dry and even eczema-prone skin.